Yo, wagwan, when I delayed. Yeah. So, first of all, man, big up Sparta big up yourself, G. You send me the listing of the war between Jahmiel and Tamale. So I'm going to big you up for that, my G. So we are going to run through the wall clash. You see me? The clash where them say Jahmiel take from Tamale. You see me? So, yeah. You know, so we're in a war season same way. So we are going to keep it there. So I know, so like I said, we revisit these things sometimes. So yeah, big up myself. It's much easier when you send me the full listing. You understand? Yeah, it just make my work easier. So I'm going to jump in on one and see what Jahmiel did start off with. Blueface. Let's go.
The pussy them won't get rid of me, but the rifle them up. Hate them I hate, but the 9 when I
read him sick, you know.
Heart them I talk, but no time when I cuss. Ashes to ashes, them alive with the dust. We pull up when the car skin, yeah.
Me know say enough artists in a dance are afraid for even war with Jahmiel, bro.
And put bullet in a barry. Pussy. As him open him gate, bullet a go open him face.
As you open your gate, pussy. Bullet a go open your face. What? Bullet a go open.
Come in a fire. Me have a couple dog na your place. I just me fi make it dark and a grey. As him open him gate, try run and drop with him shoes sleeves.
But that's Rasta.
But he make a new face. As some spend my
lyrics time. All right.
I just a ratatata, tatata, a kappa shot a fireman a dropper. The pussy them won't get rid of me.
War time.
Hate them I hate, but the 9 when I buzz.
War mode.
Talk, but no time when I cuss. Ashes them alive.
Jahmiel.
We pull up when the car skin. Yeah.
What do you read him name?
Pull it in a barry.
Carbines. All right.
As him open him gate. Bullet a go open him face. Me have a couple dog na your place. I just me fi make it dark and a grey.
As you open him gate,
try run and drop with him shoes sleeves. Them off use, but he make a new face.
Posty! I'm a close casket, what one?
I just a ratatata, a kappa shot a fireman a dropper. A kappa, follow the car the way you drive because it a tracker. Pussy me know so you know bad when you watch at a crapper.
Man say pussy me know so you know bad when you chat a crap. Shit, Man say, pussy was, see some tissue you wipe off your mouth, I'll be a shit your chat. Move your blood clot. Move your bad.
The last name, murder the papa snapper. Man of them blacker than a pot and they clip a banana. Them a plan for the Patriots with them one another. But who no like me take a bullet and go suck your mother. Than a pot and they clip a banana.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Follow the car the way you drive because it a tracker. Pussy me know so you know bad when you watch at a crapper. That's the last name, murder the papa snapper. Man of them blacker than a pot and they clip a banana. Them a plan for the Patriots with them one another. But who no like me take a bullet and go suck your mother.
Yo, me reach me that the reaction them time around, bro. I swear, this war was crazy, bro.
As him open him gate, bullet a go open him face. Me have a couple dog na your place. I just me fi make it dark and a grey.
As him open him gate,
try run and drop with him shoes sleeves. Them off use, but he make a new face. As some spend my blue face. August down, the pussy them a pre man. Me put a cross on the bullet and murder the demon.
See fire there, see shot there. Oh no, this song Control where start off the war between Massacre and Tamale. Him say we make Massacre look like Massacre look like Massacre. At the same one shot him get another one from Jahmiel to start off the clash. Same one shot.
The pussy them a pre man. Me put a cross on the bullet and murder the demon.
Man say me put a cross on the bullet and murder the demon. Yeah, one shot him get.
The pussy them a pre man. Me put a cross on the bullet and murder the demon. Some freak boy with them yellow people. Chuck badness me just shoot up in Leland. And no gun license fire gun.
Them Chuck badness me just shoot up in Leland. Leland Chuck. Tamale.
Chuck badness me just shoot up in Leland. And no gun license fire gun. From boy that fit dead, them a dead, me no care. They come a chat with a bag of tongue. They kill the one of them and turn up the crime for this year. Fuck you know. Bullet a go open him face. Me have a couple dog na your place.
War!
So just me fi make it dark and a grey.
As him open him gate,
try run and drop with him shoes sleeves.
War!
Some of you use but he make a new face. Or some spend my blue face.
Bumbo clot, what the nice yacht. What me say? war did nice. Eh? And the warrior did that one in the process, like just before Tommy Lee got prison. So that did really end the war still. That did really end the war. So that's round one with Jahmiel with Blueface. Yes. Jahmiel Blueface, round one. Alright? Let's get for Tommy Lee answer to this. Let's go.